How to review group posts activity on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review group posts activity on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here and go down until you find the settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings and here click activity log and then just click this one, group posts, and now here you can review group posts and comments on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.